Hey happy homemakers, welcome back. Today's video is one I'm very excited for because I love fall and home decor and put them together, and it's just so much fun for me. So I have a lot of fun items to share with you that I got at HomeGoods and Target in this video, and in the next video I will show you what I got at Hobby Lobby and the Dollar Tree. If you guys want to go straight to seeing the haul, then skip to this number on the screen. But for those of you who want to actually come shopping with me and seeing what is in the store, just sit tight for that. Really quickly before we dive in, I just wanted to say hello to anyone who's new here. My name is Justine, and on my channel I am all about joyful motherhood and natural living and an orderly and peaceful home, and I'd love to share in that journey with you. So will you please hit that red subscribe button down below and leave me a comment saying hello and letting me know where you're watching from and what makes you most excited about this season. If you love videos like this and want to see more, let me know by giving this video a like and letting me know what kind of fall content you want to see on my channel, because I have a lot of fun things planned and I want to make sure it's stuff that you want to see. Over the last few years, as my children have been getting older, I want them to remember every holiday season as something that I made special for them. So I have been investing a little bit more time and money into how I decorate the homes just to make it feel cozy and festive for this fall season. And I also will have stuff that I bring out from last year that I'm going to be decorating with. I will do a home decorate with me video soon, so keep your eyes out for that. I love encouraging other mamas to invest in their husbands, children, and homes and make it a beautiful and peaceful place for their families, and decorating for me is one of the ways I love doing that, and my children both love it. But you absolutely can make your home cozy without spending money. In the upcoming videos, I have planned a clean and decorate with me where I always share a fun DIY project that you can do together. Also, I have a Dollar Tree haul coming up, so there's ways you can make it work no matter what your budget. In the end, it's always going to be the thought that counts. So anyways, first let's take a look at what was at HomeGoods and then we'll get into the haul. I think I can say that HomeGoods is my most favorite place to shop for home decor. They just have such an amazing variety. There's something for everyone's style and you can find really unique things there. I really love that blue and white pumpkin that I didn't notice while I was there until replaying this footage, but all of their pumpkins would be so cute on the porch or just decorating the house with. I also got a lot of inspiration from all of their tabletop things, which I think I'm going to be making my own, but I just thought that these were so cute in the little wooden boxes. They also had a ton of wreaths, and I loved how they had a very wide variety of fall color schemes. I really liked that white pumpkin one, and also the one with the welcome sign in it, which you could add to any wreaths if you already have one. I think that would be a really cute idea. I also love looking at their foods. They always have lots of great coffees and syrups and fancy things, but I especially never leave without checking on their candles because they have some great ones and I find the best prices at HomeGoods. So now I'm home and I'm gonna get into the haul, but first I wanted to share with you what I am drinking. Yesterday was September 1st and I didn't even think about celebrating with a cozy beverage, which I do every year. So instead I'm doing that today, and I'm drinking the Tazo pumpkin spice chai, and I love it, but more on that later. I just spilled it down my shirt. So I usually look to Hobby Lobby for any signs because they are sign central, but I did not see anything fall related that really spoke my name. So I was very happy to find this wooden sign at HomeGoods. It was $7.99, which is not the best price, but I thought it was exactly what I wanted. I always like having a small sign like this to dress up a coffee table or the coffee station or a shelf, anything like that. I also love adding to my fall candle collection. If you guys have been following me for any length of time, you know that I love Sand and Fog. A lot of their candles are scented with essential oils, which is just better for me, but all of their candles smell amazing. This one is white pumpkin and it smells so good. I really love the aesthetic of their candles. They're very, very earthy and natural looking, and I love the bright pop of color on this lid. I think it is so much fun. If you've never tried out Sand and Fog, I highly recommend trying them out. I never hear anyone else talking about them. Let me know if you have, but I have been talking about them forever because they're just my favorite. I also got another mug. Every year I do end up picking out a new fall mug because I just love coffee and tea and mugs. This is the one I got at HomeGoods last year. And I don't think I even put it away, even though it says Hello Pumpkin on it, because I really do love it that much. But I did get myself another one. I love this size, and it just says blessed, and I think it's really very pretty. This mug was only $3.99, which I think is a good price. On the last two items I got at HomeGoods, these are some sprinkles. I always love having a bottle of seasonal sprinkles to add to like cupcakes or on top of whipped cream of like a drink if someone comes to our house, just to make it a little bit extra special. And my children really love adding sprinkles to things. It just makes things much more festive, and I really love the colors of these fall leaves. I think I get the same kind of sprinkle every year, but this was only $2.99. I wanted a rust colored throw, but I wanted it to be kind of like a knit or something, but Daniel's always complaining about how our throws are not comfortable enough. So I did find the color I want, and it's coming across a lot more red, but this is a really great like burnt orange look. But it's a really beautiful color, but it's the really fuzzy, soft plush blanket that my husband has been wanting. So we kind of compromised there this time, but the great thing about this blanket was it was only $14.99. It's out of the packaging because I've been using it too, because it does feel so nice. So this is just going to be thrown across my couch. I think I'm going to have a lot of white and natural tones, but like some splashes of like pumpkin colored things. I think it'll be really pretty. So that's everything I got at HomeGoods. I did go to Target, but I don't know how your Targets are, but mine was very disappointing and sparse in the area of fall decor. And I'll show you in the footage of me shopping. There was hardly anything in the dollar section that was fall related. It's only September 2nd, so it might have been too early. Also, there was hardly anything back in the home decor section. I did find a couple things I like, which I will show you footage of. Usually I get fall decor from the dollar spot at Target, so I always check there first. I didn't feel like there was anything I didn't already have something like, so I didn't get anything there, but they had some great packages of tea lights for a few dollars, and they always have great table runners, but I have a tablecloth I'm using right now. They had a lot of great small candles for $3 each. I also really loved that wreath. I kind of wish I would have gotten it while I was there. They only had like one sign and a couple hand towels, which I was kind of disappointed in, but the little candles were amazing. This one, Sugar Cookie, smelled so good. I almost got it. I think they would also make a really cute little fall gift for anyone who needs a pick-me-up this fall. After that, I headed to the home decor section to check out the stuff there. I really liked the idea of these LED pumpkins down here. Like if you have little kids and you just wanted a cozy light on a coffee table, I think that would be a great option. But for the most part, it just felt kind of sparse. They had some nice things. I really do like that brownish wreath there. I think it's really pretty, but I didn't find a whole lot while I was at Target. Even the stuff they did have, it just seemed like it was pretty picked over, even though it's only the beginning of the season. So the only true home decor item, which I got a few fall related things, but I only got one true home decor item, and that is this pumpkin brittle candle. I just kind of liked the brown color. It's very simple, but these were only $9.99 each. They had a lot of different scents, and it smells so good. Next, I got the Mrs. Meyer's acorn scent to kind of go along with that brown theme, but they didn't have the all-purpose spray. They didn't have, which I don't really need. I have other all-purpose spray, so that's fine, but they didn't have the dish soap or anything in my Target, at least. But I haven't even smelled the acorn. I just like the brown bottle. It smells good. It smells very good. I like that a lot. It's not as like fruity and floral as other scents I've smelled. I really do like that. I've never taken the time to smell an acorn before, but if that's how it smells, then it smells good. The next item is a shirt. There wasn't a lot of home decor, but I did pick up a few other items that I thought were worth sharing with you. I always shop at Target and think, what would I find at Madewell? And this is something that I thought looked very much like Madewell, and I think it was like $24.99. So I will definitely be wearing that in some of my fall content coming up. And the last two items, and it wouldn't be fall without them, these are pumpkin spice flavored beverages. This is the Tazo pumpkin spice chai. Both things actually was my first time trying. This one you just mix with equal parts of milk. You can have it iced or hot, however you like it, and it's very good. Very good. It's very high in sugar though, so I only have it as a treat, but I do really like it. This one is the Starbucks pumpkin spice latte creamer, which is so good. I really like it. I don't know why it's my first time trying it, because I feel like I should be getting this every year. Up until this year, I've never really done creamer in my coffee. I like to do lattes. But anyways, this is very good. It tastes like fall. Anyways, that is the end of my Target and HomeGoods fall home decor haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, and leave me a comment down below letting me know what you're looking forward to for fall and seeing on my channel, because I really do read every single comment and I want to know what kind of content you want to see. So please let me know. Don't forget to make sure you're subscribed to this channel, and I cannot wait to show you what I got at Hobby Lobby and the Dollar Tree. I hope you guys are all having a wonderful beginning of the fall season, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.